Hello internet world, welcome to my review of the MADE68 Ultra mechanical keyboard. This was very kindly sent in to me free of charge by the manufacturer. No money's changed hands, they haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm just super excited to share this video with you because I've been so impressed with this and I want you to be able to make an informed buying decision, decide whether this could be your next keyboard. So we've got the box, the nice shiny silvery box on top of the keyboard, which I'm going to show you very shortly. Really decent package on this, really nice presentation. If we look round on the back of the box here, we've got some of the main features. So this is the MelGeek MADE68 Ultra. It connects via USB-C, so this is a wired keyboard, not wireless. It works with Windows, Mac OS and Linux. It weighs 1200 grams, so nice build quality. We've got the dimensions there as well, 319 in length, 117 in width, and 40 millimeters in height or depth. So some nice specs on the box there, but of course, the important part is to show you the amazing, and I mean amazing keyboard. This is so nice. Really very impressive. Now before we come on to the keyboard, I'll show you the box contents. So we do get a quick start guide. This is going to guide you through all of the features on the keyboard, so we can toggle between Mac and Windows layouts by using the S key here. We've also got lock, caps lock indicator, volume up and down, so we've got some media controls on the arrow keys. Very nice layout, really easy to get up and running. And we also get this little additional sheet here. I think this is just some extra regulatory information. We get some extra keycaps inside the box as well. These are like option and command keys. So if you're using this on the Mac, you can get rid of the Windows and Alt key and change them out for Mac specific keys. That's really nice to see. We also get a really cute sticker sheet. I know this is just a sort of throw-in product for many, but I like my stickers and these are very cool, so I do like those a lot. We also get a keycap puller, so we can pull those keycaps and switch them out for the Mac ones if we want to. We get a really nice, and I mean extremely nice, USB-A to USB-C braided cable. And then we get this card sheet here, which just gives you some QR codes to scan. I assume they take you to some sort of support website. And then we get the keyboard itself. And before I plug this in, I just want to give you a really close look at how stunning these keys are. Very cool. They just are so nicely printed. This has got a very cool overall look. Really nice and compact as well. We've got these metal plates on the side here. And you can see actually the angle of the keyboard. Very nice angle to this, and this is a very solidly built keyboard. Really good key travel as well, and I'll talk to you a bit more about the sort of typing experience a little bit later on. Nice rubber feet on the bottom to keep everything in place. If we take a look at the back, now the reason this is sort of a translucent strip is because we've got some lighting in this keyboard as well. USB-C in the keyboard. Of note, just because I like to keep my things, I don't know, I'm a bit sort of weird like that. I like to keep my things really nice and clean for a long period of time. So this has still got the plastic protector strip on it, and I would keep that on probably for, I don't know, a couple of months, and then once it starts peeling on its own accord, I will remove that completely. So this doesn't have the white writing on normally, it's just a clear strip. If we take a look on this side, exactly the same as the other, and across the front we've just got some subtle branding down in this corner just here. I'll just give you one more close-up look at those keycaps. Very nice shape to them, a slight textured finish to the top. Very nice symbols on them. Really nice as well. I do like the combination of this sort of jet black and the really nice vibrant red. I do like that colour combination. So I've now got this plugged in with my own cable, not the supplied cable, into my computer. And I'm going to give you the typing test. Look at the back though. Wow, this looks so cool. I love the lighting coming out of the back. When you're using this in a dark setting and you've got this on your desk, it really does illuminate the desk behind and looks absolutely stunning. So let's take a listen to how the MADE68 Ultra sounds when it's in use. Very, very good indeed. I'm really impressed with this. It's a nice compact keyboard. I forgot to mention that earlier. So this isn't a full size with numeric keypad. It's very nice and compact, really easy to manage on your desktop, and it is just absolutely stunning. Very, very cool indeed. I really do like the layout. I love the feedback from the keys. They're nice and responsive. For gaming, this would be absolutely fine. Really fast switches in here. For productivity, it is an absolute dream. Really impressed with the quality of this. The MADE68 Ultra has won me over. It looks stunning and it performs exceptionally well. If you want to pick up one of these for yourself, please do check out the links down in the video description. There's also a link down there to the manufacturer's website. And as always, if you enjoyed my video, please do hit that like button, drop me some comments, and please subscribe to the channel. It really does help me out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video very, very soon.